My name is Alexey FORKADI and I'm an entrepreneur from Melitopol, Ukraine. I have been a businessman for 20 years now, and I'm also the co-founder and director of the business incubator Lift. Business Incubator was founded 3 years ago with a purpose to assist and support new entrepreneurs and give them the proper conditions at the initial stage of their business. Business Incubator's goal was also to provide good office conditions and trading space for their work and offer consulting services of accountants, lawyers, and as well as tax consultants. Business incubator has been established and functions slowly due to financial support and investment of its founders. Later on, the incubator received support from USAID and GIZ and got financial assistance from entrepreneurs within the incubator. During 3 years of active work, we have created the concept of the Factory of Entrepreneurs as the most successful program to maximize the availability to startups. In order to create the best conditions with the incubator, we have created the concept of the Resource Center of Small Agricultural Cooperation. With the support from GIZ, the project is being implemented during 2016-2018. The Factory of Entrepreneurs consists of business education, business incubator, invest platform, and financial revolver fund of small scale in agricultural business assistance. The very notion of incubation has been changed from office incubation into trade, agricultural, and manufacturing businesses. All those instruments are the perfect practical elements to support the survivability of new businesses. Besides, while our organization has received many inquiries from already existing small and mid-scale businesses, we have thought of the concept project named Trade Corridor. The project helps in finding new sales markets, new technologies, partners, and investments. All those components play the role of active instruments in job creation and economic development of areas. Besides, with the incubator, we have also saw the appearance of CSRT startup. This startup has developed a new intellectual product to support cities and areas in their growth. CSRT currently consists of 53 employees and itself is a source of funding of the business incubator. With the support of USAID and GIZ, the business incubator, 1,080 square meters, has received the needed technical equipment. 207 workplaces were created. Currently, there are 23 entrepreneurs, 7 legal entities, and 4 NGOs with the incubator. The line of work is connected to agricultural and recycle, IT, manufacture, and services. In the framework of Factory of Entrepreneurs, our team has developed 2 parts of study book, Real Entrepreneurship, which is currently being used in a university in Melitopol. Within the framework of Trade Corridor project was participated in the Canada-Ukrainian Business Forum held in Toronto. During the trip, we successfully registered a new company, 7 Stars Trade Corridor Corporation, and opened up a new office in the Ontario province. As a result of Trade Corridor's work, there are currently more than 30 signed contracts with Ukrainian manufacturers. We were also successful in expanding the sales market of Kyiv Watch Factory, bringing their business to Canada. We have completed the inquiry of Canadian supermarket chain Loblaw, which was searching for Ukrainian food producers. As of this moment, Trade Corridor is actively working on 12 new projects. SRT team includes experts in sociology, psychology, business economy, municipal management and marketing, as well as specialists in small and mid-scale businesses. As a result of their work, 7 strategies for cities and 11 strategies for areas have been successfully completed development. Currently, there are 4 more signed contracts and active preparation for further work. In 2017, we are planning to choose 2 cities within European Union and Canada in order to expand our clientele. We are planning to develop strategies for those cities on a free basis. I would also like you to consider everything of the above mentioned while taking into account the fact that Melitopol, as well as the whole region, is situated between the annexed Crimea, 200 kilometers from one side, and occupying eastern part of eastern Ukraine, also 200 kilometers from another side. And I would also like to remind the fact that we have been working during the period to 2014-2017, and so the devaluation of national currency in 350%, while also being near the fighting in Ato zone and the huge flow of IDPs. Thank you very much. Bye.